So in this haircut, we are going to cut the bob, the haircut that Vidal Sassoon made famous. For those of you who do not know Vidal Sassoon, you need to Google him. He is the iconic hairdresser that revolutionized the world of hair. We cut hair today because of Vidal Sassoon. Back before Vidal Sassoon started cutting hair, they just set hair. And so we cut it now into shapes and styles, but before they just cut it just to get it shorter so they could actually do curlers. Now we're going back in time, but we're talking about a guy who revolutionized hair, and the haircut that he made famous is the bob. So the bob is still a classic haircut today, even though it was invented years and years and years and years and years and years and years ago. It is one of the most iconic haircuts still to this day. So we're gonna bust out the bob. Google Vidal Sassoon if you don't know who that is. Depending on how old you are, you've probably heard of them. If you don't look good, we don't look good. I mean, they had a whole marketing campaign, commercial campaign, basically that basically said, yeah, if you don't look good, we don't look good. So, but now to the haircut. As you can see, I have the haircut sectioned off in two sides, the right side and the left side. And then I've got A-line sections where the clips are basically holding the rest of the hair. And those A-line sections I've combed down. And this very first section is my guide. It's going to be the length for the rest of the haircut. So I'm taking another A-line section right there. I'm going to comb that next section down. And that section that I've already cut is going to be my guide for this section that I'm combing down now. Basically, your very first section is your guide for the rest of the haircut. So simple process, A-line section, comb down, use the previous section as your guide until you've completed the haircut. Now, again, you can see right there the guide underneath. I'm using that guide underneath to cut the current section that I'm cutting right now, and then I'm going to continue to do this throughout the rest of the haircut. So I'm going to do this on both sides, and then we will blow dry, cross-check, and we will have the bob all wrapped up. So now it is time to cut the sides. As you can see, I'm taking my very first section on the sides. I'm going to use the back as my guide to follow the line through the sides. I've already cut the back. So we're going to separate this section into what's behind the ear and what's in front of the ear. So I'm going to cut the hair right now on what's behind the ear. Then, once I've done that, I'm going to use that line to flow in the shape that I want for the what's in front of the ear. So if you're looking for more of an A-line shape, you're going to aim your fingers more diagonal, or you're going to aim your comb. You're basically going to create the line more diagonal. If you're going more for a square bob, then you're not going to have as much diagonal in your angle, and you're just going to go straight across. So depending on what you want, straight kind of classic bob or A-line bob will depend on how you section, or I should say cut, the angle of the sides. So we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comments section below. And as usual, I want to thank you guys so very much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys very soon.